Hi, my name is Nicholas Roberts, and I'm a technical architect with Astra.
Hi, and I'm Walter Redden. I'm a client success manager here at Astra, and today you're going to be viewing So You Want to Use the API. In today's session, we're going to cover introductions. We'll walk through what is an API, ways to use the API, the resources that will be needed to get the API running on your campus, how we can help at Astra, and key takeaways and action items. As I mentioned, my name is Walter Redden. I'm a senior client success manager here with Astra. I've been with Astra for almost 5 years now, and prior to coming to Astra, I was a former client. I was at Northwest Missouri State University for a little over 4.5 years. While I was there, I was the Astra Schedule System Administrator and the University Event Scheduler. So during my time there, I worked with all internal and external events that ranged from academic departments to student organizations to community events. A few things that I like to do in my free time. I've recently picked up playing volleyball, so I really enjoy doing that. I enjoy making furniture and interior design.
And I am Nicholas Roberts, a technical architect at Astra. I've been an Astra team member for almost 4 years now. My hobbies include sports, working out, and cooking, and specifically I really enjoy to go out golfing and lifting weights. So what is the API? An API is an application program interface. Basically, it allows Astra Schedule to push and pull information from other third-party applications and allows information to be exchanged with other applications.
So there's several ways that one can use the Astra API. One of the first ways is custom calendars, and this is a very popular method of using the API. Real quick, I'm going to show an example of a client that is using the API. This is Millersville University, and you can see here that they have events here on their calendar. This is pulling information from Astra Schedule. So we can see here over on the category area that there are different categories. These are represented as different event types in Astra Schedule. You can also see here they have a request event button. When we click that, it's going to take them out to an Astra Schedule request form. And then we can also click into these different events on the schedule and see the additional details here. This information is also being pulled from Astra Schedule. So you have a variety of ways that you can design your custom calendar using the API. This is just one of many. If you're interested in learning more about this, you can reach out to us and we'd be happy to share other examples that our clients are using.
We also can use the API for HVAC systems and door lock systems. For both of those types of integrations, we would help pull scheduled events and academic information out of Astra Schedule and into that system. For HVAC, it's most commonly used to smartly cool and heat your rooms and event spaces. And for door lock systems, much in the same way, we have systems that will automatically lock and unlock the doors when events are taking place and when academic sections are happening.
Another common way that clients are using the API is for digital signage. Many clients will have digital display boards throughout their building displaying the different events that are taking place. We partner with a variety of API partners, which we'll cover on our next slide. We also work with digital signage partners to put the room display, which is a small screen that is right outside the door. We work with our API partners to provide the room information for the events or academic sections that are taking place in that room so they can be displayed there. We also work with student organization management systems. This allows us to integrate with other aspects outside of just events or academics.
We also allow to create and update events from other third-party systems in case the Astra is not the only place that you house events in your institution.
So here are some of our API partners that we are currently working with. The first area here under audiovisual is UJA. UJA allows you the ability to capture your lectures for academic sections, manage the video streams from those sections, and then also allows you to do live streaming for your academic sections and events. In the digital signage category, we have a few different partners that we work with. Crestron, they have two different areas where they have a product. One is for the digital signage outside of the room to let you know what is happening in the room. And then another piece of functionality they have is at like a teaching station at the front of the room that helps control projectors, screens, those type of things. Extron, Key West Technology, and Visix all are digital signage companies that have different functionality to allow you to display your event information on a large digital signage board throughout your building. As Nicholas mentioned in our previous slide, we partner with HVAC systems. Currently, we are partnering with StreamSlide Solutions that has a product called Events to HVAC that allows you to easily synchronize your event and section data out of Astra Schedule and move that over to your HVAC controller system to find heating and cooling efficiencies on your campus. Next, under the mobile application solutions, we have 7-Point Solutions. They are a workflow system that allows different workflow for facilities and event management on your campus to work in a mobile solution. The next area is security systems. We work with Detroit, who specializes in door lock systems. So through the Astra API, we use Detroit to lock and unlock doors. And then the final category under student scheduling solutions is Campus Labs, which is now Anthology. They allow student organizations to create their own website, create specialized request forms that are more focused around student organizations. And then we work with them to pull that information out of their product and integrate that into Astra Schedule. There are links to all of these API partners available under the post in the Aspire community for this session. If you are working with another solution that you would like to see integrated with Astra Schedule, please let us know, and we would be more than happy to start the conversation.
So, resources needed for the API. You will definitely need a developer that is comfortable with Java and PHP. If you are wanting to pursue a custom calendar, it is also going to be beneficial to have a web developer on hand. And we will definitely need end users who are familiar with Astra Schedule and other systems to test out the final product, and really the Astra administrator that is going to have administrative rights to the system in order to configure different event types and everything that we need in order to make this integration successful.
So there's a few different ways that Ad Astra can help you with the API. The first place that we're going to direct you to is to our new support center. And if you're unfamiliar with the support center, there is a session available for you to review at Aspire 20 to learn more about that. Once you're in the support center, you're going to click on integrations, and then you'll see the large area there for API. In that area, you're going to find lots of documentation to get you started. This is going to be important to share with your technical teams. Once you've had the opportunity to review that technical information, reach out to your client success manager. They will be able to help you get a scoping call so that we can determine the level of work and the services required with our technical team. The last way that we can help is if you do not have a web developer or do not have the technical assistants on your campus but are looking to use the API, we do have custom paid service. Again, you're going to want to reach out to your client success manager, and they will be helpful in getting that conversation started for you. So a few takeaway and action items for our presentation today. Make sure to review the API documentation in the Support Center if you are interested in getting started with the API. Be sure to take a look at our API partners. Again, the links to the partners mentioned in this presentation are going to be in the community. When you're ready to get started on the API, go ahead and log a support ticket and we'll get you started. And then also feel free to join the API conversations in the Ad Astra community to learn more about how others are using the API.
If you have any questions or comments related to this session, visit the community topic Aspire 2020 sessions. You should be able to locate the post for this session, so you want to use the API, and add your thoughts in the comments section. Walter and I will be monitoring that post and will answer any questions that you have.
Here's Nicholas and I's contact information. We would be more than happy to answer your questions directly if you would like to give us an email. This does conclude our presentation for today. Thank you so much for your time.